What's up, everybody? We're back and we got another technical analysis video for y'all today. And I know it's been a couple days since we did a video. Markets were a little slow, but today we got some action. You know what that means. When there's action, it means we are right back at it, guys. And I'm excited to be back. I missed y'all. And on top of that, we got the markets just moving right now. It's getting pretty active here. XRP, $1.61. Stellar Lumens, 57 cents. Ethereum setting a new all-time high and breaking 3K today. Bitcoin still yet to hit 60K, but it's at 58.6 right now. It was at like 57 a little bit ago when I was getting things ready to start this video. So yeah, we got a lot to go over. And on top of that, if you're an XRP holder, I got extra goodies for you today. It's going to be a good week for us, all right? I got a good feeling about it, especially Thursday, and we're going to get into it. But before we get into anything, guys, I got to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Now that that's out the way, guys, let's get to it. We're not going to do too detailed of an analysis today. I really just want to get reacquainted and catch up and kind of see what we should be watching out for over the next few days, especially tomorrow. Really, between now and Thursday, guys. Monday, Tuesday, it could be big, all right? Start of a new week, okay? And institutions are coming back now, all right? The monthly closed Friday. They were already out of office, so we could have a crazy day here. I think that's why we might be seeing something pick up here in the markets. It's getting pretty green. Actually, you can't see. Sorry, guys, you can't see. I zoomed in a little bit so y'all get a better view of the chart. But it comes at the cost of y'all seeing the watch. Well, the price is a watch list, but at least you can still see the list, right? Cool. Anyways, though, guys, yeah, let's get right to it here. XRP, $1.61, holding over the $1.50, looking pretty good, right? That's what we want. We want to hold that level. We don't want to really break below. Now, one thing that concerns me a little bit, we're on a daily time frame. We got pretty low volume. For me, that signals that we might come back to $1.50, at some point. Maybe play around as we range here and then take off. I probably wouldn't get too concerned unless this candle gave out, okay? The reason is the support's right there, and the last time, which is right here, this is all we got and we're already back. That's not that good, guys, okay? So if we break below $1.50 again and this candle gives out, I don't think the 4-hour level is going to hold, all right? And if that's the case, we could be free falling down to $1.10. And if that's the case, you could get down to 90 cents again and they could accumulate more. That's on the table, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to get into that a little bit later here, okay? Ethereum, guys, that is maybe the most overpriced digital asset. That or Bitcoin, I don't know. Come on, it's over $3,000 right now. That is crazy. I'm not trying to hate on Ethereum, okay? I love all cryptos because in the end, we're all family, okay? It's just I'm not going to shield Ethereum and Bitcoin to you because they're not the ones. Okay, they serve their role, they have their place in history, okay, and for that they're respected. But the space has moved forward, all right, guys. Who's out here using the very first search engine ever? Nobody. Y'all don't even know what it's called, but y'all all know Google because Google did it better, right? All right, same thing here, guys. Anyways, though, yeah, we could see that 90 cent to $1.10 get revisited if Bitcoin and Ethereum melt the way I'm projecting. All right, guys. Let's look at a 4-hour chart real quick on XRP. Just get reacquainted here. Again, we're ranging, we're holding. We got the 20 under us as well. I don't know how strong that 20 is looking. That thing could give out, come to $1.50, maybe poke below like $1.45 with the wick. Still doesn't take that candle out, okay, which is good. And we see that's where the volume occurred. That's kind of why that candle's the spot I don't want to see get taken out. Because that's buyers showed excitement there. We have a volume increase to confirm that. All right. If that gives out, you're coming back down to here. Why would you bounce hard off the 4-hour level again? It doesn't make sense. Especially with the 200 right below. Kind of tells me, hey, you're coming down. And then, personally, I don't use moving averages as my support. I trust like horizontal support resistance more than moving averages. All right, guys. So yeah, I think that $1.10 would be in play if that 4-hour level gives out. And like I said, it's completely possible, guys. So I gotta be ready to capitalize on the play. All right. Information's always changing. This is a fast-moving space. And on top of that, in a second here, I'm going to show you a couple things which kind of also can affect things, because like I said, Thursday could be a very big day for XRP, guys. So let's get into it. All right, this is kind of the big thing that was going around the XRP community today, was this tweet right here from Crypto Wizard. He said a closed meeting to be held on May 6th, scheduled on April 29th to discuss settlement, injunctive actions, and resolutions. Interesting. Could it be XRP? Let me click on these picks for you real quick. SEC, okay, 2 o'clock p.m., Thursday, May 6th. Let's look at what they're going to be discussing, guys. They're going to be discussing institution and settlement of injunctive actions, institution and settlement of administrative proceedings, resolution of litigation claims, and other matters relating to examinations and enforcement proceedings. At times, changes in commission priorities require alterations in the scheduling of meeting agenda items that may consist of adjudicatory examination, litigation, or regulatory matters. Guys, on top of that, so, I mean, that's right there hinting at XRP. On top of that, our guy Jeremy Hogan, the XRP community lawyer, all right, follow him on YouTube. Follow him on Twitter, guys, if you want to keep up to date on what's going on with the lawsuit. He gives really good information, okay, guys? I mean, it's definitely worth a listen. But look what he adds, guys. It's really just the first line. The first meeting with Gary Gensler at the helm. And like I was saying, guys, it's Monday tomorrow, okay, guys? It's a new month. And we've been speculating May is going to be a big month for XRP, okay, guys? I mean, it's May 3rd tomorrow. Anyways, one more thing I gotta show y'all. Boom. Gary Gensler, SEC chairman, back in 2018. He called Ripple a currency, guys. I'm gonna play it for you here. 1 second.
Might think. This is the market, $220 billion strong, highly volatile. It peaked at about $800 billion in January. It's been settled around 200 to 300 billion. A little over half is Bitcoin. 55% or so in that slide, but Ethereum is quite big. A currency called Ripple that you might hear in the banking sector is probably.
Guys, did you hear that? This is the guy. He is legit confirmed 100% chairman of the SEC. All right, Gary Gensler's in, and he just called Ripple a currency. And what do they got Thursday, guys? A meeting discussing stuff. What kind of stuff, guys? Litigation, all right? Enforcement proceedings, examinations, all right? It's going to be big. It's going to be big. If you're an XRP holder, you are bullish right now, okay? You are bullish. And on top of that, that monthly, y'all remember I showed it to you a few days ago. We can revisit real quick. That monthly chart, guys. Look how we blasted through all these levels with a crazy amount of volume. I mean, come on. That's what you want. That's what you want, guys. I think we're at the start of something massive for XRP, guys. Personally, this isn't an opinion of mine, okay? It's an opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. I think we're going to see XRP hit $5 this summer. Maybe this month. I don't think it's that far away, guys. So many cryptos over here, guys. So many of these cryptos already experienced new all-time highs this bull run. But things like Stellar Lumens, XRP, they didn't experience new all-time highs yet. They're due. And what have we been saying for a year? They are being hyper-suppressed. Okay, they're being manipulated. It's continuously, every time XRP moves, they bring it down. They bring it down. This is done on purpose. It's to a point now where it's not gonna be able to stay bottled up, and this shit's gonna explode, guys. It's gonna explode. It is coming. I don't think we're as far as we think. All right, in my opinion, through my analysis, I think if we take out this this little area here, if we see the volume start to increase here and it looks like it's starting to move, I think we're going to go hit $2. All right. And I mean, with what's coming on potentially this Thursday, I don't think $2 is going to be it. I think we're going to go beyond. All right. Only way this doesn't play out, in my opinion, is if it melts due to Bitcoin. and Ethereum, guys. And let's go over those real quick here. We got Bitcoin right here on a 4-hour chart. I mean, look at the volume, pretty low. It's doing this as it's trying to break a level and go into a resistance. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Might get that little crossover, so you could have a few people anticipating that. But guys, it's kind of the same thing as with the XRP. If this candle right here gives out, I expect a meltdown. All right? Which means we really just gotta break below probably 54 too. You know, get to low 54s, and I think that's that. All right? I'm actually gonna set a little alert there. I'd like to be notified if that happens. So boom, just like that. Doop. Oh shit, Bitcoin's at 54. I'd love to wake up to that, guys. I'd love to, because I mean, if that gives out, this isn't gonna catch it, which means, especially with this support level here. But I mean, we've been saying, look at the weakness. Look at the weakness, guys. All right, that's not what you want to see. That's universe confirming this is weak, guys. Okay, this is weak. This is not what you want to see going into a level. Now, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum, we'll go back to Bitcoin too. We'll look at a daily chart and stuff, okay? I just want to show you guys with Ethereum. Look at the trajectory. Okay, this is a very slow buildup, And now here at the top, volume is increasing a little bit. And, you know, we were close to that 3,000 range. I think that gave it an extra pop. But, guys, I know it's like good distance, but it didn't do it correctly in my opinion. Very low volume, and it's taking a long gradual time. That thing is due for a pullback. That thing is due for a pullback, guys. I don't care what nobody says. That is due for a pullback. Here's a fib retracement on it. So if we're at the top right now, I mean, 236 right there, guys. Okay, it's kind of where the move began, you know, in this area. I mean, does it pull back to 382? That's not a real support level. So then does the 50 hold to, you know, right here? 2,666? I don't think that holds either. 618, it's pretty close to our 2513 level, which we saw in the past. But I don't know, guys. That's a big retracement, right? From this piece, but really from the level to there, that's a major retracement. If you're talking from when the level broke, you're already right back. And for how long it took to get that high, it just doesn't look healthy to me, guys. It looks way overextended. Way overextended. All right, this thing looks like it's ready to tip over. It doesn't look like it's ready to range and then explode again or just get more massive, massive green candles. There's no reason. The risk to reward's not there. All right, since we're on Ethereum, let's look at daily real quick. I mean, this is us on the daily. Come on. Low volume and it's just exploding. Come on, guys. Common sense. Common sense. This thing just looks like it's ready to tip over. It's coming. I'm very confident. Okay, I think this is just the last of the dumb money jumping in because we broke 3K. At this point, if you're buying Ethereum right now, you need to get to almost like what, 60, almost 6,200 or a little over 6,200 to double your money. Good luck. This is old technology. Good luck, guys. All right. This is not what you want. All right. I mean, if you're talking a nasty fall from here, because it's so overpriced, remember contacts, all-time high. If you're talking a nasty fall from here, guys, I don't think 2513 is going to catch it. Percentage-wise, that's not that great, okay? That's not that great. 25%? I mean, that's good. Don't get it twisted. Like, if you win a trade and you make 25%, or if you have a day where you get 25%, that's good, guys. But I mean, in the grand scheme of things, in this whole structure, that ain't nothing. That's not that much of a discount. Okay? I mean, look what you're dealing with. Look what you're dealing with. You're talking about from down here, guys. From the 500 range at the end of December. So in 5 months, all this, it's just going to keep going. For no reason? I don't think so. Especially with this at the end. I don't like that, guys. that just looks like it's running out of momentum in my opinion. I think y'all feel the same. And I don't think this level's ready to catch it and just bounce and take off, which means we're probably looking at 2134. But to dump $1,000 in Ethereum, that's a lot, guys. That's like 33% or something of the entire value. All right. $1,000, yeah, you're looking at like a third of its value wiped out. That's gonna be scary, but that's where the real position is. And if that's the case, there could be a bounce here now that it's set a new high like that. Because I mean, we're talking a third of its value gone. But again, this area is so weak. It showed so much weakness, especially with how he played off of it to where we are now, you know? I don't think it's going to hold, guys. I think if anything, this has just given my odds of crashing down to the 1500 level even more like possibility. I think it's given it even more favor of that playing out, you know, of coming true. Because I mean, come on, guys, this 4 hour is too close to this. If this level can't catch it, I don't see why this level would. Okay, why would a $1,990 level catch it if 2134 can't and give you a big bounce? Doesn't make sense. All the low volume as well. Ethereum, like I've been saying, guys, it's showing us the playbook. And look at where the 200 is, guys. It's right in my little area between that 1394 and 1543. Okay? I think that's where we're probably going. We are due. We are more than due for something like this to play out, guys. And then Bitcoin giving you weakness as well. I mean, it's rolling over, guys. It's rolling over. It might come up to here. Hold on, real quick. Let me get rid of that. Might come up to right here where that resistance is and then dump. And if that's the case, guys, I mean, it could be just like that. All right, into our level. Okay, come up a little bit more. Maybe touch 60 real quick and then give out. That's definitely on the table. All right, and at this point, I mean, look where we are, guys. Look where we are. Hold on 1 second. Did I move a line? Okay, just making sure. But yeah, guys, to do that and come back into it, that thing's going to give out. Because low, lower, low, okay? And then boom, give me one more. Let's get it. That's what people would be anticipating on the next dump. Just like right now, people are, you know, on the buy side, they're anticipating a higher high. And they're seeing this and they're like, oh, we're going to go challenge it. Well, on the flip side, you got your low and your lower low, okay? So, and this could be your lower, your high, your lower high. Now they'd be anticipating their lower low. That's why this is such a key area. That 60K is a key area. It's a psychological price point, and structure wise, it's also showing where like the odds are going to tilt. All right. Either the sellers are going to get their lower high and then they're going to jump in anticipating a lower low, and a lower low going below this means this level gave out, which means 40K, here we come. Crazy, right? The sellers have a lot more reason to be excited in my opinion than the buyers. They have a way more solid argument than the buyers. What can the buyers tell you? I mean, on a daily, they can't tell you shit. They got these big green candles with low volume after a nasty dump near an all-time high. The Bitcoin's best friend, Ethereum, I mean, looking weak as fuck. These two want to collapse together. Just like XRP and Stellar Lumens, they like to rise together. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're the same. They like to play around with each other too. All right? If they're going, they like to both go up together or both go down together. At least that's what I've noticed, okay? That's just something I've observed. So I'm not interested in either one of these. They're both due for a big dump. And think about it, we've been saying with Bitcoin, we've been calling Bitcoin dropping to 30K, which would be like a 50% discount from that 60K price, right? Well, I mean, at the same time, Ethereum was a little lower. It was down here, you know, 2000 range, 2500. 50% doesn't get you to 1500, but now over 3K, 50% kind of gets you there. You see how they kind of synchronize a little bit? And we always were like saying like, oh yeah, Bitcoin drops 50%. There's a good chance the rest of the market could follow, you know, give or take. Maybe a little more than 50K, maybe a little less, depending on the project. But it's just funny. Ethereum kind of set itself up. I feel like they're so aligned with each other. I feel like they're so aligned with each other. It's going to be interesting. This is why I'm telling you guys, be ready, okay? Have some cash on the side ready to go. There could be some good opportunities coming, guys. A big, big dump is on the way. It is on the way. Okay, guys? They can't do this forever. They can't. Nobody wants it this expensive. I can't believe there's people paying $3,136 for Ethereum when you have a way more advanced project like Cardano out here for $1.36. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to me, guys. Or an Algorand, $1.43, and it pays you 6%. Come on, guys. What's Ethereum gonna do when Flare comes out? This thing's in trouble. It is in trouble, okay? Bitcoin, I mean, come on. Bitcoin was designed to be virtual currency. It doesn't even do its job. That's why they call it digital store value. Get that shit out of my face. I'd rather have my digital store value in algo where it's making me 6% while it's growing in value, rather than in Bitcoin. No fundamentals, no partnerships, no nothing. Come on, guys. Common sense, right? So anyways, we'll see how this plays out, guys. I'm pretty excited. I think we're about to have a fun week here. I think we could see a breakout for XRP, and I also think we got a meltdown on the table. Either way, we're winning because we are ready for whatever scenario plays out. We know what to do. If it dumps, we know what to do. All right? Be patient and wait for that high probability setup, okay? If it goes up, awesome. Enjoy the gains, guys. Enjoy the gains. And if you're in Bitcoin or Ethereum and it keeps going up, consider taking profits. Okay? And moving those profits into an asset that's still undervalued. Don't stay in something that's overvalued. Collect your value and transfer it to somewhere where it's undervalued, where you get to buy value on the cheap and allow that value to make you even more value with the value you made off your, Bitcoin and Ethereum or whatever, overpriced digital asset that you've been in for a while. Okay, guys? It's not profit until you collect it. Okay? It's just pixels on the screen. It's just digits. Until you actually realize the gain, you don't got it. So if you've made some good money on Bitcoin or Ethereum, I don't see why you wouldn't be cashing out right now near these all-time highs with all these signs of struggle and going into things that are way undervalued that have strong fundamentals or that pay you a great interest rate like Algorand. That's also undervalued, by the way. Remember, Algorand's all-time high, 310. $1.43 right now, guys. It's still way undervalued. All right. Look at Stellar Lumens real quick. We'll wrap it up here with Stellar. Look at Stellar Lumens above the level. Okay? It's performing differently than Bitcoin. Bitcoin below the level and struggling. Stellar Lumens had a great day today. Got above the level. All right? That's what you want to see. When I woke up, this is the one that was moving the most, was Stellar. I think it was at like 50 cents this morning or something. Let's see. Where was it at the start of the daily? It was at 55 cents. Wait, is that right? Oh no, that's a different candle, huh? Yeah, because it's oh yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah, so I mean guys, it opened at 53 cents. It was as low as 50 cents on the day, and then boom, here we are, 57 cents now in this new candle. So Stellar Lumens also looking good. All right. It's a great project. People are sleeping on this. Come on, guys. IBM's their partner. IBM. Keep that in mind. Fundamentals, baby. Fundamentals. XRP's baby sister. Quit sleeping on it. IBM makes all the cash registers, guys. Quit sleeping on Stellar. Quit. Stop. All right. It's crazy. Everybody looks at it. It's like not as fun or exciting or sexy or whatever. Guys, I told you I almost named my kid after Stellar Lumen. All right. It's exciting. It's fun. It's sexy, guys. All right. Get some. XRP's digital gold. This is your digital silver. All right. So we get above this on the daily now. That was on the 4-hour where we were above it. But on the daily, if we close above, especially with some power, on the next daily we hold above, guys, it could be a good sign that we're going to go test this. All right. Remember, this is very undervalued. All right. This is also a suppressed digital asset. And I love it. It's my second biggest holding, guys. Anyways, though, I think we'll, wrap this up. I just want to kind of touch base, like make sure everybody's good, kind of not get too far off and everything. So, I think we got that, share some good XRP news, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be a good week for us. But yeah, anyways, I think we'll wrap it up, guys. I'm pretty sure I'll be here a lot this week. I'm expecting an explosive week, okay? Especially again with Gensler on Thursday and just the institutions getting back into office later. All right. It's going to be interesting. And with Ethereum over 3K and Bitcoin close to 60, I mean, these are the levels that we're expecting rejection to happen at. So I think things could get very interesting. Anyways, though, y'all, I'm going to let y'all get going here. I'm sending you love. I'm sending you light. Thank you for everything. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share some, wisdom with you and to share this time, with each other. It's truly a blessing to co-create with y'all. I will see you at the next video, guys. Take care.